All right, today we're going to pop the hood, well, really go under the valve cover, to talk about a part that's small, usually overlooked, but is absolutely critical to your engine, the rocker arm. You know the sound, that persistent, rhythmic tick, tick, tick that gets faster right along with your engine. It's enough to drive you nuts, and it's a classic sign that something deep inside your engine needs a little bit of attention. But what on earth is it?
Well, the source of that annoying sound, and maybe even a mysterious loss of power, isn't some giant complicated system. Nope, it's actually a super simple but really elegant piece of engineering that controls how your engine breathes.
And that ticking secret? It's the rocker arm. So in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain on this tiny titan of the valve train. We'll get into what it is, exactly what it does, and why it matters so much to the health of your engine. Honestly, the best way to get your head around the rocker arm is to picture a little seesaw. That's all it is. A perfectly balanced seesaw that translates one kind of motion into another with incredible precision, thousands of times every single minute.
Okay, so here's the textbook definition. It's a lever that pivots, or, rocks, right, on a central point. Its whole job in life is to take the lifting motion from the camshaft and use it to push open the engine's intake and exhaust valves. And if your engine can't breathe, well, it can't make power. It's as simple as that.
And this really is the perfect way to picture it. It's just basic leverage. The camshaft, sometimes using a push rod, lifts one side of the rocker arm. The arm pivots in the middle, and bam, the other side pushes down, opening a valve against the pressure of a really strong spring.
Let's break that down super simple. First, a lobe on the spinning camshaft pushes up on one end of the rocker arm. Second, the arm pivots on its fulcrum, just like that seesaw. And finally, the other end of the arm presses down on the valve stem, pushing the valve open to let either the air-fuel mixture in or the exhaust gases out.
Now, as you can probably guess, the design of this simple little lever can have a huge impact on performance. The kind of rocker arm that your car rolls out of the factory with is way different from one you'd find in a serious performance engine.
So, on the left, you've got your basic stamped steel rocker. It's cheap, it gets the job done for your daily driver, but that flat tip sliding across the valve stem creates a ton of friction. But then, you look at the upgrade on the right, the roller rocker, and see that tiny little wheel on the tip? That is a total game changer. It replaces all that sliding friction with smooth, rolling motion, which is way more efficient, cuts down on wear, and, you guessed it, frees up horsepower.
So why even bother making the switch? Well, the benefits are pretty clear. Less friction means less heat, less wear, and more of that power actually making it to the wheels. That little roller also makes sure the valve is pushed open more consistently and accurately every single time, which is just crucial for performance. And ultimately, it lets the whole system run smoother and safer at higher RPMs.
And here's another little performance secret, the rocker arm ratio. This number tells you how much the rocker arm multiplies the lift it gets from the camshaft. A 1.6 to 1 ratio, for instance, means for every 1 millimeter the pushrod moves up, the valve opens 1.6 millimeters. So just swapping from a stock 1.5 ratio to a 1.6 is kind of like installing a slightly bigger camshaft, giving you more power without ever having to open up the engine block. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, so let's circle back to where we started, that ticking noise. After thousands and thousands of miles, these incredibly hardworking parts can start to wear out, and when they do, the symptoms are, well, they're hard to ignore. The classic #1 symptom is that ticking sound, which is literally the sound of too much space somewhere in the valve train. But you also might notice your engine idling a bit rough, or just a general feeling that your car has lost some of its old pep. And if you let it go, a bad rocker arm can actually cause a chain reaction of damage to other, more expensive parts, like your camshaft and your valves.
So what's really going on behind that ticking noise? It almost always comes down to this one concept: valve lash. It's the tiny, precisely measured gap that's supposed to be between the rocker and the valve when the valve is all the way closed. And I'm not kidding. This little gap is arguably the single most critical adjustment in the entire engine.
And getting this gap wrong is a really big deal. If the gap is too big, too much lash, you get that famous ticking noise as the rocker literally slaps against the valve stem. It also means the valve isn't opening as far as it should, which robs you of power. But the situation on the right, that's even worse. Too little lash is silent, but it's deadly. It means the valve can never fully close and seal. Hot combustion gases leak past it, and that will quickly burn and destroy the valve, leading to a catastrophic engine failure.
So now that we understand the part, the problems, and the stakes, what's the path forward? Well, it all comes down to a few key ideas for keeping your valve train healthy and powerful.
At a high level, the solution is really a three-step process. First, you've got to inspect everything for physical wear. Look for grooves on the tip or damage on the pivot. Second, and this is the most important part, is setting that valve lash perfectly to the manufacturer's spec. And finally, if you're chasing more performance, upgrading to a set of roller rockers is a fantastic way to boost efficiency and power.
So let's boil this all down. What are the key things to remember? Upgrading to roller rockers is a great way to reduce friction. A higher rocker ratio can definitely unlock more power. But the single most important thing is proper adjustment. Getting that valve lash perfect is the foundation of a quiet, healthy, and powerful engine. Everything else just builds on top of that.
So the next time you hear an engine running, just think about those dozens of tiny seesaws working tirelessly inside. A simple little lever, often completely ignored, but it might just hold the key not only to a quiet engine, but to unlocking its true performance potential.